In this video, I'm going to show you how to take videos that you currently have in your photo library on your phone and put them into Instagram stories. I figured I'd do a video about this because people were asking, how do I take a video I already shot that's on my phone or any kind of phone or on my computer, stuff like that, and how do I put them into my stories? Well, the fact of the matter is it's really easy, but I wanted to respond to those people because I like when you guys ask questions and things that you want to know, and so why not make a video about it and show you guys how to do it real quick. Let's jump in to Instagram. Alright, so real quick, we're gonna jump into my Instagram feed, as you can see. And to add a video to your Instagram story that you previously recorded, you're going to hit the camera in the top left corner, and then at the bottom left corner you're going to see your photo album currently on your phone, and it's going to bring up your album. You're going to click the one you want to use. You can see the video that I took recently, right before I shot this video actually, and what it's going to do though, fun fact, good tip to have, is it's going to bring up however many clips dependent upon the length of the video. So we all know that each clip on Instagram is 15 seconds, and what we're gonna do is we're going to add a sticker so I can show you, just in case that the sticker's here, but the second clip there's no sticker. So you have to keep that in mind. What you could do is actually go back in and edit your video prior to uploading it to here to 15 seconds, and then you'll know you only have one clip, and you can add music, stickers, text, stuff like that, and you won't have to keep adding it if you wanted it to stay the same for the whole video and everything like that. So take note of that. Alright, so there you go. That's how you upload a previously recorded video from your photo library, uploaded to your Instagram stories. Really cut and dry, pretty simple. Just remember the 15-second clip thing that I talked about in there, a little tweak trick thing. And if you're interested in watching more videos on Instagram, I left a playlist right here all about that for you to watch. And if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.